a midsummer night. Let him sway, her kimono shines brighter than the moon's ray. A secret hidden in her red oaks fold, deep in her heart, and Oni stirs bold. Two boys behind their smiles disguise, feel their pulses surge, a fiery rise. Fireworks boom, tears through the night, our masks begin to crack in the flickering light. Amid the crowd's buzz we slip away to the quiet riverbank where no one strays. Your gaze burns hotter than the starry skies. For this moment we're our true selves. No lie. Fireworks bloom at the night sky's end. As only I gaze at you, my heart won't bend. Masks fall away in the sacred hour. The three of us share this eternal now. In a sky of sparks with you, I swear this night belongs to us. None come back. Her hair sways gently in the warm breeze. Even her Oni horns seem to please. The boys' shadows melt into the dark. Our truth stays hid in a secret spark. The festival's clever echoes from afar. Fireworks glow, reflecting your eyes like stars. In this moment, time itself stands still. Even an Oni's heart trembles with love's thrill. The rivers murmur the night's soft call. Your smile tames the Oni within us all. Behind the